Hello everyone, my name is 吴杰，我叫吴杰。You can call me Elsa if you like. I am a Chinese teacher at Domino Chinese. Now Domino have this new online class. I would like to let you know something about myself and what you can expect from my class. I am a Beijinger. Since Chinese Mandarin mainly use Beijing dialect as the standard of the language, so I'm sure you will learn the authentic pronunciation from me. I used to study English language and literature at Beijing Normal University before as a bachelor, so I have a much better clear understanding of what's the difference between Chinese and English. Then I can help you better. I've teaching Chinese for more than 2 years, and I'm holding a certificate for teachers of Chinese to speakers of other languages. I believe interest is the best teacher. So my interest and focus will be to generate your interest in learning Chinese. You will find in my class the well-designed class with all the typical and interesting scenario for you to participate and speak out the language. Also, I know grammar is boring, so I will simplify the grammar into some concise patterns which is easy to understand and easy to memorize. Also, I will try my best to provide as much as possible the fresh and various study materials to boost your listening, reading, speaking, and writing ability. At last, I would like you to take learning Chinese as a new journey and a new journey to explore a new world. Hopefully, you can start to appreciate the culture behind it. Okay, that's almost for today. And if you are interested, I have new class in February. Join my class now. 好的，如果你感兴趣，加入我吧，跟我一起学中文。再见，拜。